Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose A, B, C are non-negative with the sum equals 5. You're asked to find the maximum value of 2A plus 2AB plus ABC. First of all, we let J to be the expression. Now J will equals 2A and here is AB 2 plus C. And we can write as 2A plus AB plus A plus B plus C plus 2 minus A minus B. By writing this, we know that A plus B plus C equals 5 and therefore this is as such. Here becomes 7 minus A minus B. Now we focus on this part and use MGM inequality. Note that B plus 7 minus A minus B greater than equals to double of square root B 7 minus A minus B. On the left hand side, it is 7 minus A. So this means that this is square and over 4 will be greater than equals to B times 7 minus A minus B. We know that this will be less than equals to 2A plus A times 7 minus A squared over 4. So now we need to know that what will be the maximum for the expression on the right hand side. We let fx to be 2x plus x 7 minus x squared over 4, where x in this case is in between 0 and 5. So fx is 2x plus x squared minus 14x plus 49 over 4. So differentiate it. This is 2x power 3 becomes 3x squared. Negative 14x becomes 28x. And 49x becomes 49. Everything over 4. And this is 1 over 4. 3x squared minus 28x plus 57. This can be factorized as x minus 3, 3x minus 19. F prime x equals 0 if and only if x equals 3 or x equals 19 over 3. Which is 6 1 over 3. This is rejected because it is out of the range. So we know that f prime x equals 0 if and only if x equals to 3. As usual, we need to check what happened for f double prime x. So f double prime x is 6x minus 28 over 4. Meaning that f maximum occurs when x equals to 3. That is 2 times 3 plus 3, 7 minus 3, that is 4 squared over 4. So that is 6 plus 12, 18. With this, the function has a maximum of 18, which occurs when x equals 3. Now, then we need to go back to the original question. Will the j have the same maximum value? We know that this is less than equals to 18. So from here, equality holds if and only if a equals to 3. And from here, the equality holds if and only if b equals 7 minus a minus b. Which means that a equals to 3, b equals to 2. Since a plus b plus c equals 5, then we know that c has to be equals to 0. Now we show that the maximum of j is indeed equals to 18. And this happened when a equals 3, b equals 2, and c equals 0. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.